So how to use Hans Wehr? Okay, first of all, obviously you need to, you all can see my screen, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sister.
Yes, yes.
So, first of all, you need to know your SARF. Okay, you need to know because you need to search with root letters. And then, second of all, not just that, you need to know your families in the Roman letters. Okay, because if you learn SARF the classical way, they don't say family 1, family 2, family 3. They use the master or they use the fi'il madi. Okay, so if you want to use Hans Wehr, you need to know the Roman numerals. The what is family 1, which is family 2, which is family 3, all the way to 10 at least. That will be the most common. Okay, so yeah, you go to HTML. Okay, just click on anywhere. Okay, so if you use Hans Wehr like me, you can go to menu and you can put Hans Wehr all the way to the top. Okay, by clicking this one. Okay, so let's say your Hans Wehr is somewhere here. If I click this one up, it will go up.
Oh, I see.
Okay, sorry.
Then how do you go back to the search? I tried to do this.
Just go back to menu.
Menu, is it? Just
Uh-huh.
press menu
Yes.
twice. That means.
Yes.
Okay.
So now put my Hans Wehr back up again.
Okay.
You can also use the down button on your right.
One. Oh, yeah, they want to bring it down, right?
Yes, correct. Okay, that's number 1. Then you can just click anywhere and then will come out this box. You type in your root letters that you want to search. Okay. Then if it's a mudha'af, meaning what is mudha'af again?
Two.
The one, the shadda.
Yes,
The
so
double.
yes,
Two.
so your root letters 2 is the same. So for example, like ha, qaf, and qaf. Then you just search for ha and qaf. Okay, no need ha, qaf, qaf. Okay, that's for Hans Wehr. For the purple one, this one you need to search for ha, qaf, and qaf. Okay. So now, yeah, so it will, let's take this one, Hamzah, Ta, and Ya. Okay, so the first one will be your family 1, and then if there are other families,
You will see.
yeah, like this, family 3 will start here, family 4 will start here. Okay, so family 1, they will tell you the tribe, right? Nasara or Doroba or Fataha. So they tell you the Madi, Ata, and then the Mudhari is Kasra with the E. So this is actually Doroba Yatribu. Okay, so Ata Ya. Okay, they don't tell you how to write it, how to write the Mudhari. They just tell you the harakah on the Mudhari. Okay, the middle harakah. Then everything in your brackets after that is your master. Yes. Okay, master. So if they give you the Arabic, that means that there's more than your normal root letters. So you just follow Ityan. So Hamzah has a kasra, ta sukun, ya fathah, alif sukun. Nun can be dhamma or fathah or kasra depending on the i'rab. Okay, so they don't tell you the last harakah. Okay, so Ityan, this one also atun, yan, or yin, and then this is ma, ta with a ha h at the end. Okay, so ma, ta, tun, tan, or ti. Okay. The question I think was about the harf. So basically here ata means to come. Okay, it can come with a maf'ul. For example, ataka, right? Hal ataka hadis can come with a maf'ul. It can come with ila also. Then obviously even with the maf'ul ka, right? Ataka, did it come to you? So in English we use to because we need to have come with to. Okay, but in Arabic, don't need. Okay, but you can use also ila, which has the same meaning, to come to. And then if ata and ala, then it's come over someone. Okay, SO, someone.
Someone.
ST, something.
Something, yes.
Yes, okay, then you see comma. So finish there. So ata can also mean arrive. Okay, arrive with ha or ila. At, you arrive at some place. Okay, and then ata can come with be. And then of course it means to come with, meaning to bring or
So
bring forward.
Atta B, is it?
Yes, oops, ata and be. Yes. Okay, then it will be to bring forward, produce, all this. Okay, or ata with a maf'ul and be. So to then this is your meaning here. Okay, you always give the meaning.
Something. Which
Yeah.
is
So to bring something or someone
Tapi,
with some, yeah, oh sorry, this is to come with something with someone or something like that. Okay.
So when we say to come with Allah, for example, right, just now, to
Mhm.
come over someone, is it? Is that how is it? Or is someone
Yeah.
coming over? Oh,
No, to come
no,
over someone. So I
to
think
come
it
someone
means
over.
what does come over means? I also don't know.
Influence.
Come close to.
Don't know. I'm not sure what does
We
come
like to
over
say,
actually
we
mean.
like to
Yeah.
say like, come over my place, can something like that. Come over to my
But
place.
that's like come
Different.
over. Yeah, that I think that's different. This is come
Someone.
over someone. So I think this is something else. Yeah. This is English phrase. So I'm not sure. Maybe no, maybe we don't really use this. Not sure. Okay, so can have many meanings. Even to commit, to perpetrate, to mention. So all this, which one? The context, obviously. Okay. So same thing here. So for this one, aba, this one doesn't need a maf'ul at all. Just to refuse can be used like that, basically. Or it can use it for maf'ul, then it means to deny. Okay, so totally a bit different. Okay, so it's like that. Obviously, halves. This is the simplest way, or I mean, Hans Wehr give you the simplest way or simplest meaning of how a harf comes with a fi'il and kind of give it a nuance meaning. Okay, that this is the most simplest way lah. But obviously, if you were to read about half jar itself, there's a topic all on its own. I only have notes about bar here, about the half jar bar, and it can carry so many meaning. Can even mean a lot of things. Okay, so this one you can read on your own, inshallah. Yeah. So this is just notes on ba, but the same thing can be said of min, of ala. So that's why even when we were introduced to half of jar, right? They do give you the meaning of ba as in with, ala as in against, or some aan as in against, ala as in over, ila to. Okay, but they do tell you that this is like the general or the most like basic, the default meaning of the harf. But when it comes with a fi'il, it can totally mean other you can use other harfs, basically. The meaning of other harfs, meaning like here we have ba taking the meaning of fi. Okay, this is in the Quran. Bi badrin, in Badr. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that all, sister?
That's all I think, inshallah.
Okay.